Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from vacation and I brought my 2 teenage boys on the plane for the first time. Though traveling is not the most sustainable thing you can do and we really don't travel a lot, I wanted to show you how we tried to be as eco-conscious as we could. Before leaving, I cleared up my fridge. Everything we didn't finish, I put into the freezer, and the fruits and yogurt that I didn't finish, it's going to be turned into ice cream. Let's go straight into the video to see how I packed as lightly as I could, and towards the middle you're going to see a vlog of my trip and what I implemented. This is all that I'm bringing to travel for a week. I'm trying to pack as light as I can to reduce my impact. I'll show you how I got it to fit into all this. Here's my belt bag. I'm going to keep things that I need to reach for all the time, like my cell phone, my passport, and my lip gloss. This bag is kind of like a purse, but it's actually a lunchbox. It's insulated. I think it's pretty sturdy, and I can carry many things inside. Something that I'm going to bring with me on the plane, like food, and even I have my camera that I'm going to bring to travel with me. I'm bringing the smallest camera that I can to shoot some content. I have a battery pack so I can charge my phone when I'm working and editing. Instead of bringing a big computer with where you can type, I have this. You connect it to your phone, and I have a full-size keyboard to be able to type with my phone. This is gonna have things like earphones and just like a charger for my watch in this little pouch so it doesn't get all tangled up into my regular compartment. A collapsible bottle that I can fill with water once we pass security. And once I get there, if I want any tea, this is a tea mug that just expands and becomes bigger. The main bag that I'm going to carry most of my items is this one, and I can fit all my clothes in here because of the compression bag. This is a compression bag. It has 2 zippers, one to put your main items, and the other one is like you squish it down and then you can zip it and make it really compact. I have my clothes for a week. Also, I didn't bring too much because I'm on vacation and I don't need to bring too much fancy clothes. It fits. I have 3 bottoms, 5 tops. Actually, I have a sports bra that's going to be considered as a top. I have 2 bras, 2 swimsuits, and 2 cover-ups. This is the second compression bag. This one has all my underwear. Here are my toiletries. I just have these 3 things in the bag, and it helps organize it too. Because I'm on my period, I have my menstrual cup inside me. This way I don't have to buy any disposable pads or tampons, and I also have some of my reusable underwear just in case I leak. Oh yes, I'm bringing some reusable straws. We are leaving today. I'm dressing in layers so I don't have to carry so much in my bag. On the plane it's pretty cold, so I'm dressing in layers and make sure everything is breathable and comfortable. If it's too hot when I arrive, I just take off a layer. Here's everything that we're bringing. We're all traveling in only a backpack and a shoulder bag. The shoes I'll be wearing are the shoes that I'll wear for the entire trip. Shoes take up a lot of space in a bag, so I'm saving some extra space by wearing them. Airplane food is very expensive and comes in extra packaging. I brought my own. It's homemade pizza cut into small pieces. The Tupperware is collapsible and I can use it while on vacation. Of course, we flew economy. It's early morning and my husband's still sleeping, but I want to show you I made this balm for my face. It's a multi-purpose balm. I'm going to use it for my lip, sunburns, anything. It's made with olive oil, wax, plum seed oil, and castor oil. And this is all the skincare I brought for the week. I didn't expect to be working, but I booked a collaboration while on vacation and my agent messaged me. This full-size foldable keyboard came in handy. This is a cover-up. I can use it when I go swimming, but it also can be used as a dress. Tie a knot in front. It's very secure. And then you're gonna tie it around your neck. That's my dress. My own soaps. This one is for my face and body. My conditioner bar. and about half of my shampoo bar. It's easier to transport something like this. And I packed my soaps in this old beeswax wrap. There's a little sign that says they won't wash towels daily if we don't need to save water, and don't forget to turn off air conditioning and lights when we leave the room to preserve the planet. I thought that was really mindful of them. And I forgot to show you over here, not every hotel has this, and I think it's really cool because I use a bidet at home. They have a bidet. This way you can use less toilet paper. So here's the laundry strip. And the boys are washing their clothes in the sink. By washing our clothes on vacation, we could bring less clothes, and this is how they dry them. They just air dry them. Seems like they told me the clothes dry really fast, so all he had was a pair of shorts on a hanger, and the next day I came in, they had a whole bunch of clothes hanging on their chair. On trips, we want to be mindful and only buy what we absolutely love or need, but at the same time, we want to support the local economy. I was eyeing all these beautiful dresses made by a local artist. I supported her by buying this vibrant island dress. The artists are so talented. These planes, cars, and musical instruments are all made from soda cans. And the bags, they're made from soda can tabs. Upcycling at its best. To travel locally, we opted for the bus. It's nice to see how they live everyday life. Your carbon footprint determines how much space you take on the plane. This has very little legroom. You guessed it, we're traveling economy. My son brought his Kindle. This way he doesn't have to bring multiple books in his backpack. It's super light. You would need to read 23 books on a Kindle to have a lower carbon footprint than someone who reads physical books. He reads a lot, so it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video and coming on vacation with us. It was the first time I went on vacation in about 5 years. I was happy to share with you some products that helped me reduce a bit of plastic waste, but also fit into my backpack. We're now back to our regular life here, enjoying our weekly picnic. Although vacation was fun, we do appreciate our normal life. Wow, what a beautiful place to have a picnic. Let me know if you have any questions about the video you just saw and what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Being eco-friendly is not one size fits all, and every step we can take will make a difference. I'm devouring a whole jar of Logan's cucumbers. You know those popular cucumber videos on TikTok from Logan? They are delicious. Follow me on all social media platforms to keep up to date with me. And if you want to support me further, I have a fair wage organic skincare line called Alona Earth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!